may pagkakataon pa sila, although ito nga, medyo na-reinforce na itong Power Spikers, alam naman natin nung una, they lost 2 of their 4 games kasi wala yung kanilang import. Last game, naglaro na ito si Misaw at saka ito si Cotruang. So, adjustment pa rin yan. Oo, adjustment pa rin yan.
Yeah, it could also have an instant effect, pero yun na nga, dito, on the case of Meralco, in the case of Meralco, yun ang nangyari. Hindi pa rin nila nakuha, but I'm pretty sure this will be a better game for them. Dahil, ano mo yun, natututo ka, nakaka-adjust ka rin. Mabilis naman mag-adjust sa mga athletes natin dito.
Gretchen Soltones, simula pa lang, jump serve. Jen Reyes, nakuha kagad bola. We are underway. Cotruang. Ando naman si Tatan. Going now to Luan Latigay, and Luan Latigay will miss. Labanan din. Labanan din ito ng dalawang magagaling na libero. Dito,
true. Very true.
Dalawang na-name na sa national team natin. Ito si Jen Reyes, pati na rin ito si Liz Ligata Pantone.
Dapat lang naman.
Oo. De Leon, Latigay off the block. Cotruang, Misaw Tanyama on the back set para dito kay Micah Morada. Benting, Latigay, naabangan doon ni Maranyo. Ruby De Leon, galing sa likod. Soltones!
Soltones with that back row attack.
Nakakagulat Tandaan po natin na ito si Gretchen Soltones is the youngest player in the league.
And then, you can see na, di mo, may pagka-backset pa yung pagbigay ni Ruby. That has been a practice play.
Right.
Diba?
Ruby with the serve, Panay Mercado on the reception. Here's Cotruang.
Ganda rin yung set.
Ganda ng abang doon ni Lucharo. Pagdating sa depensa, Latigay on the run. Morada jumps it over to Cotruang. Wala sa pwesto. Ruby. Benting. Lusot sa depensa.
At lusot sa mga blockers. So, Angela Benting getting that point.
And now 2-1 para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. De Leon again. Mercado. Misaw Tanyama on the run. Maranyo. Binuhay yun ni Cotruang. Morada off the block. Wala si Soltones sa pwesto.
Right. And Meralco getting that off the block point.
At lumipat na sa harapan si Kapitana Maureen Penetrante Oano. Pagdating sa depensahan, walang ihigit dyan. And a serve now by Maranyo. Pantone. De Leon, quick set para kay Charo. Paneng. In the air for Juanita Cotruang. Off the block. Kept alive by Soltones. Latigay, cut shot. Tanyama. Sending it now to Juanita Cotruang once again. Long rally. Benting. Latigay adjusting at walang saknolo galing kay Morada.
And that was a single block coming from Meralco.
So 3-2 PLDT home telpad. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. And now, belated happy birthday kay Charo Soriano. Nagtataka po siguro kayo kung bakit number 14 na suot niya. Buong karir niya, number 8 siya. Number 14 siya kasi ng birthday niya. Petsa ng birthday niya. 14. October 14. At siya. Malakas sa tira doon ni Sasa de Banadera. Ka-birthday ni Lucas Pasco. Ka-birthday din ng dalawang kapatid. Isipin mo, yung dalawang
Tito
kapatid.
Boy Abunda, happy birthday.
Tito Boy Abunda. Yun. Kailan birthday Tito Boy?
Ito, 20.
Hala.
Oo nga Magkasunod sila ni Kiefer Wade.
Na-senior moment ka na naman.
Wait, mga 25 ba? If I'm not mistaken.
Cotruang galing likod.
Magkalapit sila ni Kiefer.
Cotruang nakadali ng puntos at naibigay ang kalamangan dito sa Meralco. So Juanita Cotruang out of Thailand. Originally played for Roger Gorayev. Para sa kupunan ng Smart Maynilad last year. Palobo tira, naibalik ni Latigay. Chance now for Meralco. Here's the running attack galing kay Micah Morada. Big mistake there for Latigay. Naibalik niya agad. Roger Gorayev, tumayo na.
And obviously, Coach Roger, kailangan niya itong panalo na to. That's why, maghapon niya babantayan to.
Tandaan din natin, if Meralco loses, they have no more chance of making it to the finals. So talagang do or die ito para dito sa Power Spikers. Benting, cross court, binuhay ni Morada. Habol si Cotruang, Panay Mercado. And Gata keeping it alive, Gata Pantone. Here is Luan Latigay, Jen Reyes. That's a double violation against Banadera.
Natrinig natin on the side of Meralco na double.
Tatawagin. 6-3. Good start here for Meralco. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Kotruang short serve.
Short
Nice.
stab.
Benting. And yun na ilusot sa Great Wall of Lasal.
Tama. Magkaibang panahon lang.
Parang hindi, guest player na si Penetrante nung pumasok si Paneng dito sa Shakey's V-League. So, tama. Sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katola gamitin. Proudly Philippine-made. Wala pa commercial.
Halloween ng dating.
Malapit na
Pag
rin
ganyan naman
Halloween.
ang sound ng dengue na lamang.
Nako. Ako tatakbo ko palabas ng bahay pag nakarinig ako ng lamok na ganyan kalaki. Eto ngayon, si De Leon going to Soltones and Soltones goes to Green Hills.
Yung bola lang.
Ay, bola lang.
Dito ba
Uy, malapit na
Soltones,
Christmas. Ayan, napupuno na yung mga ating shopping centers dyan.
Sana naman, maalala mo.
Ganon. Merry Christmas. Tita mo si... naalala ko na.
Chip cake?
Labas ang serve dito ni Morada. At namimigay na naman ng puntos itong Meralco. They're only up by 2. Angela Benting, dati pong kapitana ng Adamson University. Benting, sharp serve. Nicely done. And Tanyama trying to get it across. Napalakas.
Malakas. She wanted a dump ball, pero nga.
So ngayon, isa na lang ang abante ng Meralco.
Pressure na kasi panay talo. Tapos,
Yeah, you
syempre,
must
yung
win.
injection ngayon ng foreign players nila.
Right.
Diba? Kailangan manalo na. Yung gano'n, may pressure na talaga.
Quick set to De Vanadera. Kotruang now, sending it to Paneng Mercado. Benting, De Leon, kabila, Soltones, naabangan to ni Penetrante. And De Leon, good idea, bad result.
Okay na sana eh. Nahuli na si Jen eh. But it went out for me.
8-6, Meralco up by 2. We'll be right back.
Seems like yung team gelling pa rin din nila ang nagiging problema nila. What's important for this ball game is do not give this ball game a silver platter for the PLDT home Telpan. Their attitude should always be a never say die. Positive thinking dapat lagi. Magandang depensa, service receive, at ma-minimize nila yung kanilang mga service errors. Yun ang importante para sa larong ito. At sa kabilang kupo na naman, kanina nakausap ko rin si Coach Roger. No? Sabi nga niya is nakakapanghinayang daw wala dito si Sue Roses para sa kanyang kupunan. Isa daw siyang stable at most consistent player para sa kanya. But for this ball game, it's a bigger responsibility para dito kay Banatikla at kay Benting para sa PLDT.
Well, habang nire-report ni Rina yan, that's the longest rally we've had here today. At karamihan ng mga tira galing pa sa back row.
That's right. And nakikita natin ngayon, lumalabas na yung mga back row attacks.
Right.
Mukhang pinapractice din na ating mga koponan. And because they know that it really is important to win. Kanina, binabanggit nga natin, itong Meralco, ang mahirap sa kanila is they're playing not to lose.
Oo.
Diba? Yun ang nagiging pressure on their part.
Pero again, if Meralco loses this game, they are no longer in contention. So ito yung pinaka-must win sa lahat.
At
Definitely,
pwede din naman yan na pagka nakaamoy na isang panalo, pwede naman magtuloy-tuloy.
Yun nga. Pero that service ace by Mercado brings the lead down to just 1. Or service error rather.
PLDT na has 4 attack points. Ang Meralco having 3. Pero ang PLDT, 5 errors na against the 2 only of Meralco.
Soltones. Nice serve. Tanyama! Nicely done.
That's right. It was as if she was going to set it, pero last minute dump on her part. Let's take a look at that once again. Look at this dump ball.
The veteran from Japan. And now Misao Tanyama to serve. De Leon running attack, Charo. At second ball, tinawid yun ni Micah Morada. Latigay, yes.
Latigay getting a space this time.
Sino ba yung itsura ng katawan ni Luan? Back to college.
Oo.
Diba?
Maganda pa nga eh.
Exactly. When she came out of retirement, chubby-chubby pa, kailangan pa i-workout. Ngayon, yun na, todo na ulit yan.
So may pag-asa pa tayo.
Well. Ikaw baka pwede pa siguro.
May pag-asa pa tayo.
Oo, pwede pa. Ako talaga, wala. Kailangan ko na ng konti.
Kaya mo yan.
Kailangan ko
Kung
na.
kinaya mo nga matanggal yung the curse mo.
Uy!
Oh.
Alam mo, for
Kaya mo
7
yan.
years, I have been trying to prove na hindi ako may kasalanan nun. Oy, good serve there. Coming from
At
Ruby.
naisip ko naman sa 7 years, mali kaming lahat.
Bakit? Di ba ano ngayon? sino rin na yung
pwede
post
lang
na yun?
nalipat.
Nalipat. Pwede. Kung pala, nakakahawa pala yun, ano?
Viral infection.
Lamang na po ang PLDT home telpad. Good serve again from De Leon.
And even Jen Reyes couldn't manage the serve.
Brian Esquivel, nawala kanyang kalamangan. Time out, Meralco.
Kasi nasa atin ang momentum, ipapamigay lang natin basta-basta ng ganun-ganun na lang yung bola. So, chance ball sa kanila yun. Pagka in-over natin ng dahan-dahan, kaya. Ha? Bawi tayo, dalawa lang yan.
Alam mo, sunod yata sa Philippine Army. Ito na yung Meralco yung pinakamatangkad na team dito.
Oo nga.
I mean, talagang
Lalaki
loaded,
rin.
oh. Lalaki. I mean, 6-footer si Penetrante Owano, 6-footer din si Royce Estampa, 6-footer din si Andy Kaguliman sa kabila pala yun. Pero, may kita natin, lalaki nila. Ay, si Carveles pa pala, nandun. De Leon on the serve. Reyes lifts it up for Morada. Hindi makatira si Morada, so goes straight into the net. So now, it is a 3-point lead.
Exactly. Kanina, 10-all tayo. Nahabol nga ng Meralco, ng PLDT.
Tanyama, oh! But, backliner. Illegal block. Backliner pala ito
Oo,
si Bizao.
tumalon kasi sir.
Oh. Celine Hernandez will now replace itong si Micah Morada in the utility spot. So yan, tatlong tagalasal na. Nagsama-sama. Apat na tagalasal. Because na si Penetrante Owano naupo lang dahil nasa back row siya. Oo. Reyes lifts it up. Cotruang. Celine is left-handed. So, tatawid niya yan. Latigay. Dug up there by Misao Tanyama. Juanita Cotruang off the block.
That's a check ball. Definitely a check ball. Lakas lang talaga pumalo ni Cotruang eh.
It is now Abby Maraño serving. They are still down by 3. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Charo, Ruby, Benting. Nice dig that time coming from Mercado. Cotruang gets it across. Ruby,
with a one-handed set.
Tanyama and Penetrante drops it in. Swerte yun. She will be the first to tell you.
They will be happy with any point they get. At lalo na ngayon na sila na humahabol dito sa PLDT.
14-12, Maraño now to serve. The Shakey's B-League is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Maraño. Soltones cannot handle the serve.
That's right. Maraño getting a point off a serve.
14-13, isa na lang abante rito ng PLDT home telpad. So Maraño, the two-time UAAP MVP. Gata Pantone, De Leon. Galing likod, Latigay. Misao Tanyama lifts it up. Hernandez sending it to Juanita Cotruang. De Leon now on the back set for Benting. Misao. Hernandez on the setting. Masyado malapit para kay Cotruang, and that's an error against Celine Hernandez.
That's right. That's too close to the net. Medyo short pa, no?
Right.
For an open hit.
15-13. 2-point lead now para sa PLDT home telpad. Charo Soriano. Maraño. Tanyama. Cotruang. Yes.
Cotruang off the block. Simple volleyball but very effective.
Dikit pa rin itong ating first set. 1-point lead for the Turbo Boosters. And now Juanita Cotruang. Antone, De Leon, quick set to Sasa de Manadera. Kept alive momentarily. Tinawid. Ipenetrante. Napalakas nga lang.
Sayang. She had good intention. Yun lang eh. Napalakas lang eh.
2-point lead once again para sa PLDT home telpad. Kami po yung magbabalik.
Lahat, no? Yung
Lahat,
posible pa. Pero yun na nga, kailangan na magsimula ngayon ng PLDT.
And
Ay,
Meralco.
ng Meralco.
The PLDT rin nasa ilalim eh. Good dig that time by Cotruang. Too near from Reyes. Easy put away from Benting. So a 3-point lead now para sa PLDT home telpad. And Lawrence Ann Latigay.
Luan.
Luan, former NCAA MVP, former Shakey's V-League MVP. The majestic serve. Penetrante o ano? Soltones, yes.
Gonzalez with an open hit. PLDT now with a 9 attack points. Ang Meralco with 8.
Time out, Meralco.
Magdadaan sa ibabaw ni Ate Henry yung palo ni Sotones. So, kadalas ang dadaanan, yung bilis lang. Ha? So, huwag ka masyadong sumagat ngayon. Kasi dalawang blocker na malaki, si Lin, saka... Oh, dito lang. Yung dadaanan lang mismo, yung gilid na gilid lang. O, bawi tayo. Apat lang yan, guys. Kailangan natin makapuntos muna. Ha?
18-14 ang ating score. Makikita natin si Gretchen Soltones. Nailusot lang sa dalawang blockers. One of those was M. Penetrante Owano.
Ito, tumama kasi sa tape ng net. So yung timing, syempre,
Nasira si Jen Reyes doon.
Nasira yung 1, 2, 3.
Oo. Hernandez, Tanyama, Panay Mercado.
Oh,
Yes!
good spot. Beautiful down the line hit. Alam mo nung college, yan, isa pa yan sa
Lako, taas ng
pinupuntahan
lipad.
niya. Yes.
Taas ng lipad. Actually, hanggang ngayon naman eh. 18-15 in favor of PLDT home telpad, pero uunti-unti na naman itong Meralco. Let's see on the serve of Celine Hernandez, also formerly from LaSalle. Ruby, combination, Soltones!
and Soltones getting that point.
19 years old. Against the veterans itong Meralco. 19-15, Benting serving. Maranyo, Misao Tanyama, Panay Mercado, that goes out. Tama yan, pinili niya si Ruby, mas maliit.
Yun naman usually ang ginagawa, no? Kaya dapat talagang advantage pagka malaking setter mo. Dahil pati sa, lalo na sa depensa sa net.
Ito si Misao Tanyama is actually around 5'8", 5'9". Veteran setter from Japan. Sasa de Banadera na ipit si Penetrante Owano.
Maganda yung connection that time of Ruby De Leon at itong si Sasa de Banadera getting a point off that be quick.
I'm sure naghanap na si Ruby De Leon ng mga video nila nung araw nung sila ni Chang Ancheta pa. Yung nagko-connect para sa San Sebastian. Running attack Maranyo, denied by Soltones.
Right. PLDT reading that play of Meralco so well. Saradong-sarado yung pinto.
PLDT with no imports in their lineup. May mga rumors dati na maliligaw daw sila ng mga dating mga player ni Coach Roger. Ang dami na dumaan kay Coach Roger eh.
Napakadami.
Oo.
Oh, and Mercado. Smart move on that push.
21-17.
Lapit lang to. They're just 4 points down.
Mercado now in the back, which means Cotrawang is in front. Dalawang import along with Abby Maranyo up front. Ruby delays it. Soltones. And Soltones drops it in.
And then may halo na rin serte. Tumama na naman sa tape ng net.
Right.
At PLDT getting that point.
Now Soltones to execute the jump serve once again. Maganda ritual niya no, bago pumalo sa jump serve. But it's Jen Reyes who gets to it, and Charo will be called for double.
Double violation against Charo. Na ito, inaapila pa niya.
Sabi ni Coach Roger kay Charo, balik.
Hama na.
22-18, Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. De Leon drops it. Nandun si Jen Reyes. Cotrawang.
Oh, and Cotrawang has been really challenging the blockers of PLDT.
Mapasa
off the block eh, di ba? Magtamo, pinapatalbog
eh. Ang lakas pumalo nito. Again, recently just taken out of the national team ng Thailand. So, kondisyon na kondisyon yan. Latigay. Soriano misses.
Oh, wide. That was wide. Sayang, no? Ganda ng basa na sana ni Charo.
Timeout PLDT home telpad.
Paano kasi pinauna mo siya? Pag pinauna mo siya, bola mo. O binlock mo, tumama sa net, kinuha mo, hindi naman yan eh. Yan na, patayin nyo na yan. Nasasayang yung lamang natin ng dalawa, ha? I-coverage yung siluan. Coverage yung siluan. Kung kanang nasaan ka ba, sa likodan ka. Kung i-receive ka, rumisid ka, huwag kayong alanganin yung tayo mo yan. Babagsak yung bola, saka ka mag-react. Ay, si Totan rumisid.
At in-explain na ni Coach Roger ba't siya tinawagan ng double violation. As you see, Juanita Cotrawang in the slow motion replay, sobrang lakas talaga ng palo niya eh. Using the hands of Ruby De Leon na hindi paskwalado.
Sa makikita mo yung motion niya, no? To get that off the block point.
There's Misao Tanyama. Soltones. De Leon sending it to Latigay. Latigay tries to go over Maraño. Does not work. De Leon on the backside. Galing sa back row. Soltones!
Alam mo, sige, hindi na chamba yung kay Soltones. Kanina pa niya ginagamit yung
Off
tape
the
ng
net,
net. Yes. Kanina pa, mapahulog, mapapalo.
2 puntos na lang po kailangan ng Turbo Boosters to get this first set. Ruby,
Ayun na
ginaya.
Nainggit.
Alam mo si Ruby, pangatlong ace na niya yan, ha?
Nainggit kay Soltones. Gumaya.
Pero yung tatlong ace ni Ruby, 2 doon tumama sa net. Mapalakas na ng konti ngayon. Here's Tanyama na on the setup. Api Maraño on the run. Tatan Pantone. Backset ngayon. Benting, backliner. Tinawid na lamang. Nobody's going to strike this. Jen Reyes gets it across. De Leon, Soriano. Maraño on the set for Juanita Cotrawang. Benting ang magsiset para dito kay Latigay. Nakaabag si Maraño.
Soltones na naman binigay. And bakit pa hindi?
Jen Reyes, inabutan pa rin niya yun. Pero doon po magwawakas ang itong ating first set. PLDT claims it 25-20 kontra sa Meralco. At ito po ang ating shake and play. Back row attack. Galing dito kay Gretchen Soltones ang nagtapos ng first set para sa PLDT home Telpan.
Yun yung siguro yung sinasabi mo, yung service, pero 3-1 naman ang score. So, napakalapit na laro.
Right.
Diba?
Well, again, Ruby De Leon has been playing well. She has been serving well para sa kupunan ng PLDT home Telpan. Makikita natin. Pero yung Gretchen Soltones, talagang picking up the pieces talaga sa kanya, no?
That's right. And si Gretchen Soltones had several points coming yung mga yan, no, ginagamit yung net, diba, to get the points. And that included that last point. At ang maganda
ginamit niya si Jen Reyes.
Oh. Palagi ko babawi. Pero, yun na nga yung sinasabi ko. Ito, pati yung back row attack ng PLDT, gumagana para sa kanila, di ba? Ang daming beses pinuntahan ni Ruby.
Well,
si Gretchen.
Mukhang pinractice nga nilang dalawa yun.
That's
Misao
right.
Tanyama starts us off dito sa ating second set. Luan Latigay. Oh, good coverage there by Pantone. Latigay again over the defense. And Cotrawang uli.
Double violation. Alam ko na, 29 pala birthday ni Tito Boy. Una si Giver. Happy birthday again, Tito Boy.
At may kasunod Tito Boy Abunda.
Sino?
Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Ay,
si Guapa.
Si Guapa pa yun.
Guapa is now, si Guapa will turn 24.
Bata pa.
Oo. Latigay.
All.
Soriano.
This time, Soriano getting the point sa regalo. Early Christmas present.
Meeting Miss Universe si Charo dun,
Sabi niya, hi, salamat. Well, so far, it's Soltones with 8 points. Benting with 3. So, that's De Leon. On the other side, it's Cotrawang with 4. Mercado with 3. Maraño with 2. And Morada with also 2.
Yun. Ang palong may masamang intensyon galing kay Juanita Cotrawang.
Lakas talaga pumalo. Na kahit nung napapanood ko siya before, ang lakas pumalo ni Cotrawang.
Kita mo naman talaga yung mechanics ng kanyang spike. 2-1. If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
May ganyan yung malakas yung braso.
Oo. Kabakero. Soltones block. Oh, good cover there. Here's Gata getting it across. Tanyama on the back set. Hindi may tatawid dyan ni Micah Morada.
Morada tried to save it, but it was just too close to the net and to the pole.
Oo. 3-1 for the Turbo Boosters. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Willie Ortiz. Hello?
Uy, Will, kailan ba si birthday ni Will?
Wala pa.
Akala ko,
Sila lang.
akala ko na mismo,
Kailangan
kinabahan tuloy
birthday.
ako. Exactly, kinabahan tuloy ako.
Talagang may ka ba?
Hindi pwedeng hindi patiin si Mr. Willie Ortiz ng Axel pag birthday niya. Oh,
Oh, Lati guys. Tried the...
illegal back row.
Illegal back
blocker.
row. So, although si Lati guys swiped it away.
Oo. Hindi, pero sinubukan mag-block ni Cotruang. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Soriano.
Oh, alam mo, pag hit pa lang, narinig mo si kay Coach Roger, pinigil.
Oo.
Sumagot na kagad siya. Ay, nagsalita na kagad. Ibig sabihin, alam niya na kung ano mangyari.
Pero alam natin si Charo, pagdating sa service, napakataas ng percentage, ha? Cotruang with another short serve. Benting.
Oh!
Nicely done.
This time, it's Benting using the net.
And a bit of the hands of Penetrante Owano.
Ano ba to? Pinapractice ba to na PLDT?
Pasok pa rin eh, no, iniwas. Kumbaga sa bilyar ang tawag doon, masay.
Wow. Spell nga.
Masay. Ito ngayon, si Paneng Mercado.
Mercado with a cross-court hit. At alam mo si Paning, gusto ko sa kanya, ang galing humanap ng mga butas.
Right.
Diba? Ever since kahit to college, yung hindi na pinahirapan masyado yung sarili, hanap lang ng hanap na butas at yun yung target
Parating
niya.
pala sa tinitignan niya yung mga options niya kung saan niya papapagsakin. Down to 2, ang kalamangan dito ng PLDT home telpad. Here's Sasa de Vanadera, and it drops.
Vanadera with a soft touch.
Isa pa to si Sasa. Unti-unti na naman bumabalik sa playing form niya. 6-3 PLDT. As sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger 14 gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Kanyama across. Mercado over the defense. Soltones tracks it down. De Leon to Latigay. Galing sa likod.
Ito na naman yung back row attack.
At that time, sa guhit tumama. Ang tira dito ni Luan.
So yun yung adjustment na mukhang yun yung adjustment na ginawa ni Coach Roger na wala si Sue Roses. Ang pinuntahan nila ngayon yung back row attack. Diba?
Oo.
Dahil kung hindi si Soltones, si Latiga yung tumitira ng back row attack.
Serve here by PLDT home telpad from Benting. And Soltones blocks that one. Misao gets it across. Antone. De Leon.
Ayun
Galing
na
likod.
naman.
Latigay. Morada. Mercado. And good read by Tatan. Alam ko, bully pa ni Tatan. But it is a 5-point lead for PLDT home telpad. We'll be right back.
Pwedeng open lang bibigyan natin ng atake. Ha? Gising tayo. Magtrabaho tayo sa loob ng court. Hindi pwedeng isa, dalawa lang eh. Kailangan tulong-tulong eh. Magsalita tayo. Sobrang tahimik sa loob ng court. Ha? Kasi kailangan natin mag-focus sa loob ng court eh. Ha? Tara.
www.gmanetwork.com/news/sports/campus sports for all the latest dito po sa ating Shakey's V-League. At iba to natin ngayon kay Rina Villamor.
To play in high spirits, that's what's important for the Meralco Power Spikers right now. Sabi ni Coach Brian kanina, you have to maintain that optimistic mindset for them. Kailangan nga nila dito yung positive thinking nila para maka-attract sila ng positive vibes dito. And aside from that, kailangan nila dito ng energy sa larong ito. And si Coach Roger dito, ang dami niya sinasabi sa gilid ko. Anyway, moving on with that, also some reports sa kabilang side naman, sa team pa rin ng Meralco Power Spikers natin, ang sabi nila is to be quick to adjust and bounce back and to anticipate dito sa mga back row attacks ng PLDT home telpad. Kailangan daw magtulungan sila dito pagdating sa blockings nila dahil dito daw pinapatay sila ng PLDT home telpad. He also instructed Tan Misao, don't gamble too much on your quicks and runs. If you're not sure about the ball, then you have to quickly give it to Jen Reyes. Back to you, Noel.
Well, again, nakikita natin dito yung adliban ng mga veterano. Hulog-hulog yung nangyari doon, and Ruby De Leon will score. Palitan ng tao dito. Setting change. Misao Tanyama will sit down. At papasok for the first time ito si April Rosing Pitt.
Sakto doon sa report ni Rina.
Oo.
Siguro napapansin ni Coach Brian, no, na she's risking it too much.
Right. Good reception there by Morada. Penetrante used the left hand. Soltones over the defense, and that is in.
Touched the floor, it hit the floor already, so
Yeah.
point goes to PLDT.
Early timeout para dito kay Brian Esquivel. The team is now down by 7.
Hayaan natin bumagsak yung bola sa harap natin. Ha? Hindi lalapit ang bola sa atin. Kailangan natin yun. Ay ka, masyado kong malayo. Pinalapit natin. Dito lang kayo. Umawasin siya masyado. Kaya, anticipate natin yung rubble muna. Kung may natin tayo. Iba yung gagawin natin sa game. Iba yung ginagawa natin sa practice. Di ba?
Oo nga naman. Pero nakita mo yung practice facility ng Meralco as we take a look at this again. Good drop there. Sabi ni Morado na abutan niya. She might have a case actually. Pero hindi niya masyado nireklamo. One more look at the drop here coming from Soltones. Nakapasok ka na sa volleyball practice facility ng Meralco. Medyo, maganda. Medyo dikit nga lang sa pader.
Oo, sakto.
Oo. Free ball given up by Mercado. Ruby, combination, Soltones.
Soltones once again. Yun na naman, no? Tumama na naman siya net.
Oo, tumamas. Pero kung tumama naman din sa kamay, yun hindi na sadya yun, ano?
PLDT having 5 attack points so far. Meralco with 2.
Here's Hingpit, sending it over to Mercado. Latigay, De Leon, tinawid. Hingpit, quick set, and M. Penetrante Owano.
That's right. She gets the line and ito yung pwedeng puntahan ni Hingpit, no? Si Owano, kaya lang ngayon siya na yung magsiserve. Pero yung middle hitters kasi nila, di ba, yun ang nawawala. So, panay open ang nakikita natin. I think kay Cotruang, di ba?
Cotruang or Mercado.
Or Mercado.
Latigay, dug up there by Penetrante. Mercado. Oy! Naipit si Gata at saka ito si Latigay.
Sa gitna nila, again, si Paning, nakita na naman niya yung spot na yun. Let's take a look at this once again. Look at that. Again, finding that precious spot.
At saka isa pa yan, yung nilagyan pa niya ng top spin.
Oh, yung...
So, in case makuha, mahirapan. Pag hindi nakuha, lalayo na todo. De Leon drops it. Oh, what a save by Juanita Cotruang. Mercado. Benting. De Leon. De Panatera.
Pero agad-agad, quick play ang sinagot ng PLDT.
And while De Panatera served, that lead is down to 6. The Shakey's Feeling is powered by Motolife Battery pang matagalan. De Panatera. Hingpit. Running attack. Abby Maranyo.
Oh, and yan naman ang kailangan. You know, Abby has been a bit quiet in this game so far.
Actually,
baka
she's
ito
quiet.
na simula.
Quiet the whole conference. And Stephanie Mercado will be back to serve. 12-6 to a 6-point lead para sa PLDT Home Telpad. And Latigay ginamit ang kamay ng depensa para makakuha ng puntos.
So panay ang punta talaga ni Ruby dun sa back row attack. Mukhang yan yung game plan for today. Diba? Sa kawalan
right.
ni Sue Roses, yung running hit na inaasahan nila, sumugal sila ngayon dun sa sa back row attack.
Medyo high percentage until that serve dito si Gressel Soltones. Hindi naman sa papasok sa net, minsan napapalakas lang or minsan nababasa lang talaga ng kalaban. 6-point lead for PLDT Home Telpad. April Rossing Pitt to serve. Benting, habol ulit si Latigay. This is still a legal ball. Tinawid ni Benting. Reyes, Hingpit, sending it to Maranyo. Nakabang si Charo. Reyes lifts it once again para kay Cotruang. Latigay off the hands of Morada.
Latigay, kahit na konti na lang yung space, nakita mo yung how she angled her body.
Right. Para talaga, kung sinaran,
yan,
maunahan niya
take a look
ituan.
at this once again. Ginamit na si Abby Maranyo for that off the block point.
So now Ruby De Leon. 3 aces in the first set for Ruby. Running attack para kay Maraño. Nandun si Soltones. Latigay. Yes!
Latigay this time. Doon na naman. Sa zone 5 din nila.
Oo, pero alam mo, itong kupunan ng PLDT, lahat nagko-contribute sa kanila.
Yun yung team effort na sana nga kanina yung nasabi natin. Kailangan ng Meralco. Diba?
Right.
Ng complete team effort para mapanalo nila to against PLDT.
And Charo, nagkakagulo pa ang depensa rito ng Meralco. Charo Soriano drops it in. 9-point lead for the Turbo Boosters.
Kailangan kasais mo.
Tignan mo naman. Tignan mo naman si M. Buo na. Sabi Maraño, scores. At yung jersey, tama-tama, papasok si N. Si M. Oh. Sabi Maraño, naku, yung running attack na yan. One of the most lethal weapons in Philippine volleyball. M. Penetrante Uwano, nakalagay Penetrante Uwano. Yung kay Pontillas naman dun sa Cagayan Valley, Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Latigay, Kingpit, back set. Oh, Morada.
And Morada, through the blockers of PLDT.
Nakita niya hindi pa sarado yung dalawang blockers. Inunahan na niya. Maraño now to serve.
Kaya pa itong unti-untiin ng Meralco.
Good serve there coming from Maraño. Penting. Hulog galing dito kay Penetrante. Habol naman si Soltones. Palo pa rin si Luan.
And yun lang yung PLDT, you can see na buong-buo yung loob ng mga players, diba? Yung confidence is oozing. Kasi katulad in that last play, halos broken play na yun Ang baba na ng bola, but si Latigay still went for the hit. At she won the point.
Good serve there coming from Charo. Morada, Palobo, lumabas. So, nako. Nananambak na naman itong PLDT. They're up by 9. Timeout Meralco.
Guys, ganun pa rin yung nangyayari. Hindi umaabot sa gitna yung receive natin. Ha? Pilitin natin mag-deliver. Then, umaaring, first ball, mahina naman short ball. Don't nakuha ng short ball. Ha? Tandahan na natin. Green, may tatlong spiker ka. Ha? Tandahan na.
Kalahati lang.
Tara.
Tapoy natin.
Tapos natin, ha?
Good call set there by Abby Maraño. Kalahati lang muna. Habulin natin. Unti-unti niya. As we take a look at this last play. Luan Latigay. Yung galing ad-lib na yun Napalo pa rin. Tingnan mo kung saan galing si Soltones.
Kasi tingnan mo yung focus. Nakita mo na sinusundan niya yung bola. Yung motion niya. She was yung little steps pero sinusundan niya keeping her eyes on the ball.
Yun na nga.
Yun yung importante.
Parang center pa yung namigay sa kanya doon for that spike. Charo Soriano. Service ace earlier.
PLDT now with 13 attack points. Meralco having 7.
And Jen Reyes was nowhere to be found doon sa coverage. Sa tira ni Juanita Cotrowang. So, now a 10-point lead for PLDT home Telpad. Soriano to put it in play. Nice serve from Charo. Kingpit, iniwan para kay Morada. Nandun si De Leon. Benting too near the net. And that's denied from Cotrowang. Benting. Reyes. Kingpit. Morada. Nako, haba-haba na naman to. Benting. Latigay. Hinulog. 29 ang ating score.
Nag-pull away na talaga itong PLDT. Hindi na pinayagan itong Meralco na makahabol pa. No? Mid-portion pa lang ng set na to.
Serve now coming from Charo. Habol ulit. Nice defense pero lalabas ang block ni Sasa kontra kay Juanita Cotrowang.
Cotrowang another off the block point.
And the serve once again from Cotrowang. Combination play. Latigay again. Alam mo minsan si Luan siniswerte na lamang.
And then, minsan hindi ko katulad nun, hindi ko matawag sete kasi si Latigay, hindi talaga niya tinatanggal yung mata niya dun sa bola hanggat hindi patay diba? So, ibig sabihin, gagawa siya ng paraan para maibalik yung bola.
Good serve coming from Latigay. Morada. De Leon, quick set de Valadera.
Net.
Net violation.
Net violation. Yep. That's right
Penetrante.
call.
So, 22-10. Latigay, 3 puntos na lang po kailangan ng PLDT para ma-secure itong ating second set. And that's wrong. 22-11. Micah Morada now serving. Dati pong UAAP champion from FEU.
Right.
2008.
Isa din sa mga matataas na vertical leap.
Ay, oo.
Diba?
At still alive pero not for long. So, Di Vanadera makakukuha ng puntos. And now Benting. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Angela Benting trying to close this set and get up to 2-0.
Right. Ingpit. O, Penetrante. Gets one back.
Hindi nila masyado na bahatidan si
Oo.
M nung quick set. Marami na rin I mean, in the times na pinupuntahan nila si M, nakakapunta si M.
And now she's at the back to serve. Penetrante. Tinitignan yung ating bagong libero, si Eliza Eroa.
Eyes on you.
Oo, yung tipong pag sinabi mong ako volleyball player ako, sabihin ng tao, di nga.
Hoy, hindi yun. Kasi dahil sa volleyball lang, pag bago talaga, gano'n.
Kasi
Hindi.
ilang taon na ba
Gusto mo
dito
i-welcome ka agad pag ikaw
Oo.
yung kalaban.
si Eliza Eroa is I think on her second year dito sa Shakey's V-League. Latigay, fires to the back. Ayan ay may errors na naman ng PLDT home pad. And Penetrante Owano once again. Benting. De Leon. Combination play. Soltones.
Soltones. Open hit.
Yep.
Sabi niya, yan Monty, mataas na yun hindi na tumama sa net.
Oh, ikaw kaya. Gusto mo?
Oo.
Try natin. Kaso pa sa uniforme nila.
Ano na?
Tinatanong ko lang naman kung kasya. Baka kasi masyado kang payat na.
Bawi. Cambio bawi.
Sabay ganun.
Reverse.
Soltones, dug up there by Morada. Hingpit gets it across. De Leon does the setting for Soltones.
Oh.
Off the block at tatamaan si Dumer Parillo.
Idag sere.
25-14. Complete domination shown by PLDT Hometel Baton sa ating second set. As we take a look at our shake and play. Maraming pagpipilian. Pero again, it is the Gretchen Soltones power strike that almost assassinates Lumer Pajarillo. Errors nila.
Tama, and mas marami pang error. So, wala talaga. There
Oo.
was no way for Meralco to win that second set.
Yes,
Ngayon na importante.
oo.
Hindi sila matanggal dito sa game na to. They need to regroup and get this third set.
Makikita naman natin doon yung mga combination plays umandar para dito sa kupunan ng PLDT Hometel Pad. And Gretchen Soltones talagang on a mission dito sa larong ito. Pero again, yung Meralco, na-notice lang natin na hindi sila masyado nag-uusap pag nandun sila sa loob. So that's another thing. The communication is completely missing sa kanila. So ano kailangan lang gawin?
Well, unang-una nga, yun. Tama ka, communication. Kasi nakikita natin yung laro nila. Parang hindi well-oiled machine. Diba?
Right,
hindi,
right.
hindi parang team. Diba?
Oo.
So, kulang pa siguro sa usap, sa komunikasyon. Kasi pag ganun, napuputol yung play partner So, importante na nag-uusap-usap sa loob pag ganyan ang pangyayari.
Nice reception there by Jen
Oh,
Reyes and Abby Maraño. And ang ating Ruby De Leon. Here's Luan Latigay. Ganda kagad ang simula. Up.
Oh, and double violation will be called on Misao, which she doesn't fully understand bakit siya tinawagan. Ayan.
Si Abby tumatay yung kapitana sa loob ngayon.
Well, so far, De Leon, 27 excellent sets. Nanyama Misao has 13. Hingpit has 10.
Kakapasok lang ni Hingpit. May 10 excellent sets na siya. Juanita Cotroang. Great dig there coming from Gata Pantone. Misao Tanyama. Great dig by Benting. Latigay. De Leon. Kahit sino na, no? De Leon on the back set now for Latigay. And there's a net violation on Maranyo.
Yan ang magiging importante dito sa Meralco. Yung kailangan nila i-lessen yung errors kung pwede kang wala masyado. No? Kasi kailangan nila ipanalo if they want to stay on this game.
2-0 PLDT home Telpad. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
So far, Sultan has 12 points already. Latigay with 9. Itong si De Leon, Di Banadera, Benting, 4. Cotruang with 6. Mercado with 5. And Uwano and Maranyo having 4 each.
At mali yung palo doon ni Luan, napalakas. So 2-1 on that error on the hit coming from Luan. May regalo ko para sa akin. Hindi kita bibigyan. Smell the coffee. Here's De Leon. Latigay.
Bumawi. Yun naman ang nakikita natin yung on the side of Meralco. Kanina pa nangyayari yan, di ba? Pag nagkakamali sila, babawi kagad on the next point. As you can see, Luan, Latigay with that open hit.
Tanda natin, last week si Luan, hindi first set lang naglaro. Last week, dahil may lagnat siya.
Ngayon si Su naman.
Oo.
So in spite of that, di ba? In spite of not having any guest player so far.
Juanita Cotruang. De Leon on the back set now for Benting.
And that goes in. Angela Benting.
All hands on deck.
No?
Oo, all hands on deck. Si Batman ang pumalit kay Superman. Pwede naman yun, di ba? Down the line. Si Jen Reyes, napailing na lang.
Angela Benting at saka si Su.
Talagang Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Yan. Pag nakita mo, may mga tsinelas yung dalawang yan na may logo ng Superman at may logo ng Batman. Kasi mga t-shirt nila, pag warm up, makikita mo, Superman yung suot ni Roses, Batman yung suot ni Benting.
Benting once again. That was well read by Cotruang.
And Benting gets it across. Maranyo. Isao. Wala papalo.
Nag-alangan.
Communication problems here for Meralco. Latigay. Maranyo keeps it alive. Misao Tanyama sending it to Cotruang.
And even too much for Pantone.
Si Pantone may superpowers na yan, ha? Natawa na lang si Tatan.
Ano yun?
Anong gagawin ko naman doon?
Ang bigat. Juanita Cotruang. And even over the blockers of PLDT.
4-2. PLDT home Telpad. Maranyo. Naitawid pa.
Great save by Latigay.
Morada. Nako. Pinalikuran ni Luan yung block. So Morada scores. At yung mga fans dito na Pro Meralco, ang daming Pro Meralco fans dito.
Lagi nga very supportive nga yung mga office mates.
Yep. And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Maranyo on the serve.
Nice serve.
De Leon, kabila, Benting, dito mawin.
Yep, and Meralco gets the point.
And na Meralco, ha?
Ingay na, mas maingay na sila.
Pati yung fans sila, nagtatayuan pa every point. Happy Maranyo once again. Benting, De Leon, Latigay, habol si Maranyo, Isao Tanyama, running attack, into the net from Micah Morada.
That's right, Micah Morada. Ito yung mga taong inaasahan nila, di ba?
Right.
That, contribute for Meralco.
Yung katumpas na sa basketball, layup na ng Bintis. Nandun Charo now to serve. Maranyo on the reception. Tanyama. And penetrante Uwano.
And I like that play. It was a be quick for Uwano. Look at this. Look at the connection. Parang binato lang ni Misao?
Si Misao naman, veteran setter talaga. Already in her 30s out of Japan. Cotruang in her 20s. De Leon. Benting. Off the hands of Mercado.
Right, lumusot dun sa blockers ng Meralco kay Mercado at kay Uwano.
6-5 PLDT home Telpad. Now the majestic serve from Luan Latigay. Maranyo, Misao Tanyama, Panay Mercado, Ruby, Benting, Yahoy! Naswerte pa, no?
That's right. Ang daming ganyan, ha? Ang daming
Oh.
ganyan na putos na nakuha ng PLDT mula umpisa nitong larong to.
Pero hindi lang makalapit that time ito si Cotruang. Latigay again. Shakey's Feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Penetrante. Gata. De Leon. Too near for Soltones. Tinawit na lamang ni Gretchen. And Gretchen Soltones gives PLDT home Telpad a 3-point lead sa ating first technical timeout of set number 3.
Give high ball to only differential. Okay? A little bit adjustment. Okay? Tara, guys! Huwag natin i-drop ball ng i-drop ball. Kung maaari pag nakakita tayo ng block, gawa natin ng paraan na paluin ang bola. Ha? Kasi abang na abang yung drop ball natin. So, pag i-drop ball natin, atake sa kanila, mahirapan tayo. Ha? Tayo ang umatake. Ha?
Let's go! Laban! Tapang mo! Tapang! Oh, bilang! Go! Fight!
Log on to www.gmanetwork.com/news/sports/campus sports for all the latest dito po sa ating Shakey's V-League at ibato natin ngayon kay Rina Villamor.
Yes, Noel, still for the Meralco team because what's lacking for them right now is their power and aggressiveness in playing. Sabi nga ni Coach Brian kanina, they need to be more aggressive in getting the ball. Kanina nga second set, marami silang drop balls. Kailangan daw kunin nila ang bola dahil hindi mismo ang bola ang lalapit sa kanila. Also, they have to be mentally tough in today's ball game dahil nga instead na isipin nila that they're on the losing end right now, they have to focus on how to maximize their playing time inside the court. And lastly, yung discarding ipapakita nila sa laro ito dahil sabi nga ni Coach Brian dito, hindi mismo yung advices ng coach ang makakatulong sa kanila dito. Kailangan sila mismo ang gumawa ng paraan sa loob ng court. Noel, back to you.
That's 100% correct. Galing dito kay Rina sa kanyang report. Uy, triple block na yun. Nailusot pa rin. And
good
Maranyo
play.
gets it across. De Leon. Soltones!
Oh, pero ang hirap naman i-save doon. Soltones drilling that one in.
And Misao apologizing for being late sa block.
PLDT with 7 attack points now. Meralco having 3.
Benting on the serve.
Ang maganda lang, contained nitong dalawang errors nila. 2 each pa lamang.
Right. Oh, Paning Mercado. And that time, Tatanjata Pantone. Hindi nagalaw yung kanyang paa.
Take a look at that once again.
Ayan o. Isang slide na lang ni Tatan. Kuha na niya yun eh. 9-7 PLDT sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng dengue. Line Tiger Katolang gamitin. Call the Philippine made. Parang itong si Sasa de Banadera. Philippine made. No problem that time.
That's right, on that quick hit.
10-7 PLDT home Telpad. Otruang. And Misao Tanyama.
Tanyama going for the dump and getting the point.
So 10-8. Dumidikit na naman po ang Meralco. Panay Mercado now. De Leon. Soltones. Turned back there by Misao. Soltones again!
Yan na naman. Soltones really unstoppable from the front line to the back line.
At si Jen Reyes na challenge ito sa likuran. Ito mo
Yan.
naman dito. Oh.
Yan naman suking-suki kay Ruby De Leon in this game.
11-8. Soltones now to serve. Morada. Misao. Juanita Cotruang on the drop. Nice decoy set up by Misao. Pinatakbo niya si Abby sabay binigay niya kay Cotruang.
Yun ang kailangan gawin nito, Mirago. You really have to find ways yung paano, no, makakascore.
Oh, bad reception there. From Tatangata Pantone na alam naman natin minsan lang mangyari sa kanya yan. Best receiver dito sa Shakey's V-League ng ilang beses na.
Oh.
Best digger, best receiver.
Parang
Lahat.
yung Jen Reyes din dun sa
Isa pa
kabila.
yun.
Oh, free ball. Give it to Meralco. Let's see if they can capitalize on this one.
Oh, Abby
They
Maranyo,
do.
well done.
That's right.
11 all. Ito na po yung Meralco. Playing with a lot more confidence here in the third set. Misao. Sharp serve. Habol si Soltones.
So, free ball uli.
Reyes. Misao. Morada. Gata. De Leon. Charo Soriano.
And Soriano getting it through. Medyo nalito sila kung kinino yung bola dun sa set ni Misao.
Oo.
It was
Balik,
Abby's or ito kay Morata.
Nagbanggaan pa silang dalawa. Ruby on the serve. Mercado. Kotruwang. Morada.
And
Yes!
Morata gets the spot.
12 all. Meralco battling. And let's see if they can get the lead ngayon dito sa serve ni Abby Maranyo. Antone, De Leon inangat. Oy, natawid pa rin yan ni Latigay. Ha?
Napakahirap nun, ha?
Oo.
Napakahirap ng angulo na yun.
And now Meralco gets the lead.
That's right. And a check ball called against PLDT.
13-12. Maranyo, gusto nilang iiwan to sa 12 points.
Oh, obviously, si Coach Brian want them to pull away. Lalo na parang, ano sila ngayon, ano? Mas aggressive.
Oo, ganda rin ng kanilang, yung moral nila ngayon, napakataas. Nice block.
Oh,
De
that's
Leon.
violation. It was really close to the net and Rudy was just trying to save it.
Timeout Roger Coraya, bigla na lang nawala ang kalamangan ng PLDT home telpad.
Nawala ang kwento natin, nawala depensa, nawala lahat. Naman tayo dyan, nakakawalong puntos na sila tayo, tatlo lang. Galing tayo sa 9 eh, 9-6 yan eh. Nangyari, saan, nawala tayo na lang ito. Ikaw, sumuswitch ka. Yung bola nasa court natin, sumuswitch ka ng lugar. Ano ba ang turo sa iyo? Di ba pag nandun na yung kapila,
Sabi ni Coach Roger, lahat nawala. Opensa natin nawala, depensa natin nawala, lahat nawala.
Lahat na eh.
Malapit sa lost and found yung mga ganon, di ba? Micah Morada playing inspired here in the third set. 14-12, it's still Maranyo serving. If it's on Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Good serve by Maranyo. De Leon, Benting, inangat ni Maranyo. They go to Kotruwang. And she's blocked by Soriano. Here's Penetrante Uwano.
There you go. Alam mo, si M, kada punta nila halos sa kanya, no? Ang lakas na porsyento that they get a point.
Right.
So, I guess dapat mas maraming bolang matanggap niya.
Abby Maranyo has been serving since last week.
Overtime?
Oo, overtime yan. Kapagod yun, ha? De Leon, Latigay, binuhay pa rin. Misao Tanyama with the sky ball. De Leon, quick set to Charo. Hindi maka-open sa PLDT. Kotruwang, pinulat ginamit ang kamay ni Benting.
That was such a smart move from Kotruwang.
What a run now by Meralco. 4 na puntos na ang kanilang kalamangan.
Sampung puntos na sila, oh. 3 lang tayo. Dahil tayo kababa maglaro ngayon. Wala receive natin eh. Saro, ba't iniwan mo yung tao mo? Sinet na ba doon yung bola? Ano ba set doon? Quick ba yung set doon sa kabila? Open. Diba? O ba't yan nagmamadali? Eh open yun. Pwede mo namang habulin yun. Mataas ang bola nun. Iniwan mo yung tao mo. Saan muna ninyo? Habulin natin yan. Madali kasi kayo eh. Di pa tapos yung laro eh.
Pumiyok si Jen Reyes nung cheer na.
Ikaw pinuko mo pa. Hindi na nga narinig, pinuko mo pa.
Napalunok pa eh.
Talaga.
Again, another look at the power O Juanita Cotruwang.
Actually, it was the smartness. Nakita niya na, hindi niya kaya.
Oo.
Sinwipe niya pa palabas.
Yan po ang ating mga bossing dito. Mr. Ricky Palu and Mr. Moing Martelino. And now, Miss Abby Maraño. Sultones. De Leon. Latigay. Ando na naman si Maraño.
Oh, and Marada.
Here's De Leon. Benting. Finally!
Oh, Benting putting a stop to that Meralco run.
That was a 10-3 run, Tita Mosi.
Right, on the, going down the line. Kanina pa pinupuntahan ni Angela Benting yan, ha?
Oo.
Yung zone 5.
And now, ito naman si Charo Soriano to serve. The Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Good read by Maraño. Naglimburak pa siya doon.
See, ngayon, better communication inside. You can see Meralco now talking to each other at may mga nagtatawanan na sila.
Oo.
PLDT now with 10 attack points. Meralco, lamang ng isa with 11.
Good serve coming from Cotruwang. Benting on the push. Moradas sending it to Paneng. And Paneng scores.
Ito ka sabi pa.
Kulala sa bulutan na ni Abby Maraño eh.
Yeah, talagang look at her pop off her teammates.
Ever since her college days, yan ay trabaho ni Abby Maraño.
Of all people, si Paneng naman Mercado is so
Quiet
quiet.
naman. Totoo yan.
Very quiet.
Cotruwang on the serve. De Leon, combination. Latigay gets it through.
Bumawi naman ng PLDT.
Okay na sabihin, hindi pa ito tapos para sa PLDT.
Ay, definitely.
Pwede pa silang umabol dito. Now, Luan to serve.
Let's see naman, let's watch how Meralco can try to hold on to the lead
Right.
and win this one to stay on to this game.
Tanyama in the air for Mercado
Oh,
again.
yan yung kailangan. See, even if it seemed like a
Broken
broken
play yun.
play,
Broken play
pero
talaga.
si Paneng still risked it. Yun ang ginagawa ng PLDT sa kanila kanina pa,
Right.
di ba? Yung mga tira ni Latigay, ni Benting,
Soltones.
ni Saltones. So,
Oh,
kailangan ganun eh.
19-14.
Big risk, big reward.
And Gretchen Soltones changes direction. Oh, Misao, pumalo. De Leon. Soltones cross-court.
But Saltones again avoiding the blockers. Oh, late din naman kasi yung blockers sa Meralco. That was easy for Saltones to get that point. Look at this one eh, no? Late na eh. Isa lang eh. Isaw lang ang nandun.
Mabasa apat ang abante rito ngayon ng Power Spikers. Benting on the serve. Maraño. Misao, humabol. Mercado gets it across. De Leon. Si Banadera. Cotruwang. Misao. Penetrante Owano.
Oh, and again, Penetrante getting another point.
2015 timeout. Roger Gurayev.
Hindi mo ma-check ko ng ball. Kasi mo sinabi ba si Juan na dito papalo? Kasi mo pa pinablock na papunta doon, nag-iisip ka pa ng iba. Uy, naiintindihan mo ba ako? Bilis-bilis nagmamadali na siya magkanon. Wala tayong isip ko, nawala na tayo ng retake, nawala tayo ng depensa. Bigla kayong tinamad maglaro. Hindi biglang tinamad. Ingayan lang kayo nung kabila. Di ba giganti tayo?
Taking a look at this one more time. And Penetrante Owano, the veteran, delivers. Another two-time UAAP MVP.
That's right.
2015. And now, the aforementioned M. Penetrante Owano to serve.
Nice short serve.
Ruby. Soltones again!
Ano yun?
Grabe magpasabog na ng bomba ngayon si Gretchen.
Di pa nga nagki-Christmas New Year kagad?
Oo nga eh. Ang fireworks festival, meron daw sa Pampanga ngayon na. Oo, meron daw. Fireworks yan. Down to 4. Si Banadera serving. Cotruwang. Misao. Maraño. Sent back by Charo. Mercado. Over the defense. Saved by Benting. Soltones again.
Once again, Gretchen Saltones yun eh. Hindi po ibitaw, di ba?
Oo.
Basta angat pala yung bola, papaluin niya. Siya yung nag-a-adjust.
Pero kung ikaw yung mga ate, dapat sabihin nyo, yung bata, pumupukpok tayo rin.
Oo, yun na nga, di ba?
Oo.
Yun ang mangyayari doon. So, parang domino effect yan eh. Ayaw mo patalo, syempre.
Right. Nice short serve by De Banadera. Tanyama, Maranyo.
Oh!
Nagkatinginan lahat ng taga-PLDT.
Sweet, sweet spot for Abby Maranyo.
21-17. Naantala ang paghahabol ngayon ng Turbo Boosters. And here is Stephanie Mercado to serve. Tatan, Ruby habol.
Si Ruby.
Misaw
Oh,
Tanyama.
and this time gets the point of that dump ball, yung kanyang spiking. Yun ang lamang dito ni Misaw.
Right.
Napakalaki niya.
Kaliwete
At
pa.
saka she really does that. Yung komportable pumalo as a setter.
Right.
Parang si Ruby rin. Ganyan din si Ruby De Leon. Eh.
More height inserted now by Roger Goraya. Nika Guliman will see her first action. Papalitan si Charo. Guliman 6'1", out of Lyceum.
Isa pang magaling na setter na pumapalo, Joanne Potor
Ay, nako. Parang hindi naman setter kasi yun eh.
Ayun na naman yung hyphenated mo.
Oo.
Potor Carpio.
That's right. Here's Soltones. Soltones.
Wala nang iba.
Wala na. Sala talaga bumubuhat dito. Now she's back to serve.
At Meralco needing only 3 points to get this set.
There's that bullet serve once again. Juanita Cotruang. Tatan. Ruby. Luan. Off the block. At wala sasaklolo sa likod ni Paneng.
Higay using that off the block hit.
Timeout Meralco. This is a good one for Brian Esquivel.
Good swing. First strike. Target zone 1. Okay? If good receive, you can give Abby. Running. Okay? Go. One good receive yan. Ha? Alaga pa rin sa lama. One stop tayo, one stop. Go.
Wala kayo lang dito.
It's not Luan Latigay, it's Gretchen Soltones ang pumapatay dito sa kupunan ng Meralco. Pero now it's like the Latigay highlight show. But they are still down by 3. Good timeout dito kay Brian Esquivel.
That's right. Congratulations nga pala
Ah.
sa Miriam College.
Nako.
Siyempre coach by Coach Mac.
Yeah.
Oo, nag-champion sa WNCAA
Nako.
High School Division.
Sino setter?
Hey! Sino ba? Sinong nanay mo? Pero si
Congratulations.
daughter ko, si Danny. Congratulations. And then to the rest of the team.
Long rally going on. Latigay turned back. Latigay second time around. Kept alive by Reyes. Cotruang.
Oh!
Yes!
She gets the line.
At si Tatan nagagalit sa kanya sarili.
Dulong-dulo naman kasi yun.
Oo. Kamot-ulo. Sa lahat ng mga taga-Bicol, yan, binabati natin on behalf of Tatan. Tanyama, serving. Gatas sending it across. Latigay. Oh, Jen Reyes, effortless. Cotruang.
Angela
Kept alive by
Benji, who read
Guliman.
that well.
And what a strike coming from Gretchen Soltones.
Si Gretchen, talaga relentless.
Under 23, pasok.
Relentless.
Sa under 23, maghanda kayo. Bunga siya. Ayan na. Pambato natin sa under 23. Isipin mo yan. Siya, Eliza Valdez, Abby Maranyo,
Diba?
Santiago Sisters.
Oo nga.
Here is Cotruang.
Oh,
into
that
the
didn't
net.
make it. So that's a point for Meralco.
Ang sinasabi ko yung under 23. Sa seniors, wala si Abby. Pero papasok yan. 24-20. Maranyo now. Serving for the set. Oh, Latigay.
Okay. Let's see if Meralco can close this set. Oh, not just yet.
Not yet.
Di pa. Di talaga buibigay itong PLDT. Atapang katao.
Yan na nga. At saka mga veterano rin talaga ito.
Totoo ka dyan.
Now, Nika Guliman to serve. Her first time to serve today. Dito minsan nagkakatalo yan.
Then nakita si Nika sa Lyceum. Diba?
Right.
Under Coach Emig Lontok.
Good serve from Nika Guliman.
Coach Roger, tingnan mo, hindi alam kung okay ba yun, matutuwa ba siya.
Time out, Meralco.
Last point. Sit muna tayo. Jeng, you are here. Okay. Maika. Ayan. Pagka maganda receive. So, if we have good receive, M, give quick, Maika, C, Jeng, 5. Okay?
Nika Guliman with this serve na tumama sa tape ng net. Ano yan? Tinuruan ni Soltones.
Pwede.
Oh.
Viral nga eh.
Double set point for Meralco. Can Guliman do it again? Nilakasan na niya. Maranyo. Tanyama. Juanita Cotruang!
Save your life!
We are going to a fourth set. 25-22. Meralco lives to fight another set.
That's correct. And a better showing for them in this third set, definitely.
Shaky shake in play. Juanita Cotruang sending us to set number 4. We'll be right back.
Of the efforts of Gretchen Soltones na ipanalo pa rin ng Meralco. Even with less attack. Isa lang naman, one
Right.
less attack. But again, a better showing for Meralco. Why? Mas nag-uusap na sila, mas maingay na sila sa loob, mas working yung kanilang yung connection, pagdating sa
Ayun,
spiker
puro Cotruang na rin.
at
I
yung
mean,
setter.
you have to realize ko yung power dito ni Juanita Cotruang pagdating sa paluan. Finally, pinuntahan siya na pinuntahan ni Misaw.
Yun talaga. And also, na-lift yung ibang teammates, di ba? They had a better
Ingay
first
nila,
call.
ingay na nila.
Yung communication na binabanggit natin kanina na magiging importante because it's very basic di ba?
Right.
So, yun ang nangyari. So, at magandang resulta.
Ang ganda rin na simula. As Misaw Tanyama gets a service ace.
Well, in that last set, Soltones having 8 points. Grabe, in that set alone,
Oo.
And
Latigay pa
Latigay
tumutulong,
with 5 and Benting with 3. Sa kabila naman, you had Cotruang with 5, Morada and Wano with 3 each. Si Mercado, meron din 3. Si Misaw, may 3 puntos rin, imagine.
That time, napalakas yung palo ni Latigay. So, Meralco off to a good start here in set number 4. Misaw Tanyama. Short serve. Running attack, Charo. Misaw,
Ganda naman
sending
ang
it.
pagkakaset nun.
Oo. Latigay. Reyes. Free ball from Mercado. Benting. De Leon. Soriano. Morada. Kabila. Cotruang. Long rally once again. Galing sa likod. Soltones. Maranyo.
Maranyo, just enough power to get that point.
3-0 Meralco. And if it's Sun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nicely done by Luan.
Off the block hit.
Ganda rin ang buwelo niya na time eh.
Well, hinabol niya kasi medyo short yung pagkakaset. Pero nakita niya na, sarado na. May tiktik
Right.
na dun sa kabila. So, smartly, got that off the block hit.
Misaw, Morada. And Morada is able to score again. Alam mo, quiet ang contribution dito ni Micah Morada pero very effective.
Pero yan, again, nadadala na sila. Iba na yung takbo sa loob, di ba? Even Morada, the quiet Morada, sabi mo nga,
Right.
ayun, nakakapuntos.
4-1 Meralco. Maranyo, kanina tumagal siya rito sa service area. Almost an ace that time.
Oh, nice set by Ruby.
Benting, Ruby lifts it up for Latigay. Tanyama, Morada, too near for Cotruang, tinawid na lamang. Ruby, combination, Luan Latigay. Latigay, second time around. Grabe depensa rin ng Meralco sa sahig, ha?
Parehong koponan.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng dinidepensa. Pero punta ng punta kasi yung bola kay Misao eh. Kaya hindi makapag-run ng play maigi itong Meralco.
Benting, drops it. Nandun naman si Morada. Buhay pa rin po itong ating rally. Misao.
Chance for PLDT.
Charo. Misao once again. Kotruwang.
Ayan.
Yes!
Finally, si Misao nang nakapag-set ng bola. Kotruwang. Hindi naman binigo. Diba? Getting that point.
Grabe, pagpalakas sa palo. First time ko nakita to, parang nipis-nipis ito. Parang laki ang guest player to last year, di ba?
Tapos hindi masyado malaki.
Hindi masyado
Diba?
malaki.
That's true.
Mahinhin pag kinakausap, mahinhin maglakad. Pag pumalo pala, parang de cuerdas. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. That serve, however, will go long. 5-2 Meralco. So from one LaSalle player to one Ateneo player. As a two-time Shakey's V-League champion, Charo Soriano will now serve. Once as a player and once as a coach. Penetrante. Oh. Here is the drop shot. Does not work. Back set ngayon. Benting. Kotruwang. Nandun naman si Charo.
That's right. Nice dig by Charo Soriano.
Misao. Back set. Charo again. Devanadera. Latigay. The San Sebastian connection.
Oh, Jen Reyes diving for that one.
Oh, wow.
And si Rubiren. Great
There's
floor
Latigay.
defense being shown by both teams.
And the ball is still alive. Benting. Latigay. Hindi papasok. No check ball.
I could not believe it na wala raw check ball. Take a look at that once again. Kasi medyo umangulo yung bola. So let's see kung tape lang ba ng net yun.
Tape
Oh,
lang
tape
net.
lang ng net.
No check ball.
That's right.
Good call. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, Juanita Kotruwang now to serve. Good serve again. Tatan on the floor. Soltones galing sa likod. Malakas.
Not enough spin. So nakakapagod rin kasi yan, partner, yung back row attack.
Yes, saka daming gong rally na pinanggalingan.
Oo. Hindi rin madaling gawin yan dahil nasa fourth set na tayo.
Kotruwang again. Tatan. Here's Benting. Malakas.
Benting sending it wide.
Bad start for PLDT home Telpat. 6-point lead for Meralco.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music with Spinner. Free 15-day trial.
How do I keep an angel happy? Monday, we text all day. I call her on Tuesday, and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got plans left?
Yeah. With you.
I'm so lucky.
PLDT after losing the third set.
Medyo yung siguro yung pagod na rin na setting in. Dahil nga ang daming long rally. At ito namang Meralco, nagkaroon ng renewed confidence, di ba?
Pati yung depensa
Nung
nila
umingay
gumaganda na. Oo.
Diba? Babae talaga pag maingay. Yun yung confidence.
Ewan ko na,
eh.
hindi ko nalalagyan ng meaning yan. Panatikla, we talked about her at the top of the coverage.
Ang kumpiyansa namin nakukuha namin sa laki ng decibels na ginagamit namin.
Minsan. Mercado tries to score. They go to Latigay. Misao, kabila, Mercado. Soltones. De
Oh,
Leon.
nice set. Nice back set.
Maru, saved by Reyes. Maru. Latigay. Ito na naman yung long rally natin. Morada. De Leon. Maru.
O yun,
Ay, ay, ay.
double violation ang matatawag doon kay Maru.
Naipit na. Ang PLDT home telpad sa 2 puntos. Timeout, Roger Gorayev.
Sabi sa inyo, pinipilit yung dalhin dito. May backline tayo eh. Bakit yung pinahihirapan? Sarili ninyo. Ano ba naman tayo? Natalo lang tayo ng isang set. Biglang nagbago na isip natin. Parang hindi na natin alam gagawin natin. Pati si Tatan na naman, oh, hindi na tayo makareceive Tatan. Wala tayong receive, hindi ko alam bakit. Wala nga nagja-jump shot doon, halos isipon na lang yung ginagawa. Nag-finish pa tayo. Kunin natin yan, lalayo yan.
8-point lead para sa kupunan ng Meralco. And ito talaga, pati daw receive na wala na.
Oo, tama rin naman si Coach Roger doon, ano? Parang bigla na lang in-snap. Ang ganda-ganda ng first and second set.
Lalo na second set.
Yung, kumbaga, yung kumpiyansa, yung stability, di ba? Ng
Right.
Meralco, kita-kita na, ay, ng PLDT, kita-kita natin. Biglang nagbago nga naman.
Morada, Gata, De Leon. Oh, nicely done by Maruba Natikla.
Maruban na Tikla, challenging Mercado on that last play.
So 10-3, finally nakascore na ulit. Ito ko po na ng PLDT. At mukhang pagod na si Luan, no?
Pwede, ang importante doon, napigil nila. Di ba? Ano ba yung tawag niya? Upsurge?
Yun. Wala, nalagyan ng takip.
kuryente, diba?
Nalagyan ng takip yung bote. Misaw. Oh, nice block there by De Panadera.
Still playable though.
Another block by De Panadera. Pumasok sa side ng Meralco. They go to Soltones. Soltones across. Kept alive. Misaw. Galing likod. Kotruang malakas.
Kotruang. Not enough spin.
10-4.
Sayang, ano?
Right. Ito na, mahabol na PLDT. Back-to-back points. And Latiga is really taking her time. Alam mo yung pag galing ka sakit, ang bilis mo mahapo, di ba?
Para-paraan lang yan. Veteran move yan. Pero tama yun ang tamang gawin, di ba? Kasi importante nga yung serve.
Mercado, coverage there for De Leon. Manatigla, Soltones across. Kotruang. Misaw, back set, Morada. Manatigla, Ruby. Going to Soltones. Off the hands of Morada. Kept alive again. Long rally na naman.
And credit the good coverage of Meralco, ha?
Right. De Panadera, one-hand save from Misaw. Mercado kept alive by Pantone. Soltones, and the block goes out.
Soltones finally getting a point off the block point.
So 10-5.
You can hear the voice of Coach Roger.
Pero 3 straight points na yan para sa PLDT home telpad.
Kasi nawala na yung kapag yung seamless o yung flow ng laro ng PLDT. Hindi na tulad ng first and second set.
Bad serve by Latigay. Pagod na nga to. (11-5) Meralco. Former Far Eastern University player Micah Morada. Back set now. Maruba Natikla. Blocked and stopped there by M. Penetrante Uwano and Panay Mercado.
Again, better movement inside on the side of Meralco. Diba na yung coverage? Andun na palagi Kanina, ang bagal ng coverage.
Pero wala nagsasalita kanina.
Oh.
Maru across. Uwano. Mercado. De Leon, galing likod. Latigay. Pisaw, kabila. Mercado. And that's a net violation. Ay na tumama sa antena.
Antena. Kaya Meralco, that's the point. Trying to
13-5.
pull away.
Right. 13-5 Meralco. Micah Morada once again. Ruby, one-hand set. The hook coverage behind the Panadera. 14-5. Ano to labanan ng magkapatid to Sister companies.
Oo nga.
Setting change. It looks like De Leon is also a bit winded. Pasok muna si
I
Despatilano.
think yun yung tamang gawin ni Coach Roger, kasi marami na rin hindi magaganda masyadong first ball. So, habol na habol
Right.
si Ruby, kaya rin siya napagod. So, tsaka, ano lang, maibala yung diskarte.
Right.
Diba?
Pinasok na si Des Patilano. Morada, good serve. Patilano! Hindi sila nagkaintindihan
yun
ito yung
na.
Panadera.
Kasi, agad-agad, no, they went for a quick hit.
10-point lead for Meralco.
Quick play, kasi ang ganda ng first ball nga naman eh. Tama rin naman yun.
Morada. Too near para kay Soltones. Easy block from Empenetrante Uwano.
Too close to the net.
16-5. We'll be right back.
We make it better.
By texting, calling, and surfing.
With Smart's all text 20 plus.
And we all got text to everybody.
Trying it calls to many.
Made better with all day surfing. Now tweet and retweet. Share and like. Instant tweet and selfie. And it's still at 20 bucks.
Send AG20 to 2827.
So every day gets better. Better than the day before.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you a secret. Let me tell you why a girl like me is so head over heels for the new Shakey's Pizza 1954. The secret's in the crust. The new gourmet crust. Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shakey's Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Mga, ano niya, mga dreams niya.
Oo.
Saka gusto ko na siyang graduate.
Oo, hindi. Nag-graduate naman talaga. Pero
Oo.
gusto mo na rin ba siya mag-men's volleyball? Yun ang tanong
Abay,
doon.
kung gusto niya. At kung papayagan siya, yun ang importante.
Papayagan nyo. Tapos na basketball by that time eh, no? 16-6. Nakascore po ulit itong kupunan ng PLDT.
Baka magustuhan pa.
Yun na nga. Ayaw mo nun. Masasali rito sa bilig. Pwede. Ay, nako. What is happening to PLDT?
Right. Ayun naman yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger. Huwag naman ganyan. Di ba? Parang in a snap, they lost everything.
Oo.
Di ba? Kanina pa winawar ni Coach Roger yung paulit-ulit. Pero yun na nga ang nangyayari.
Maru Banatikla now to serve. Down 11. Here's Misao going to Panay Mercado. Kept alive there by Latigay. Soltones. Yes! Walang rest back si Jen Reyes that time. So 16-8. Manatigla once again to serve.
Baliktad na, no? It's now Meralco doubling the output of PLDT. Kanina pa natin nakikita ang ginagawa ng PLDT yan sa Meralco.
Mercado adjusting. Manatigla keeps it alive. Here is Soltones. And there's Cotruang with the dig. Maranyo gives it up. Manatigla. De Manadera, Reyes. Misao. Kabila. Mercado. Ay! Nahulog sa harapan ni Maru.
You know, I like the steadiness of Misao and that every time magsiset siya, she tries to look at kung sino ang ready dun sa mga spikers niya.
Right.
Diba?
At the same time, pinabasa rin yung depensa. 17-8 sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Soltones, off the hands of Maranyo.
Soltones
17-9
pa rin,
yan.
no? Siguro.
Siya lang talaga. Silang dalawa ni Luan lang ang may hawak ng opensa rito ngayon. Nasasa, di ba, Nadera? To serve. Isao, quick set, Maranyo.
Oh, that's going to be a violation called against
Lifting.
Abby.
Yeah, it's a good call. 17-10. And the Shakey's Feeling is powered by Motolife Battery pang matagalan. Sasa de Manadera, Jen Reyes. Isao Tanyama to Panay Mercado. Dug up there by Luan Latigay. Latigay now on the run. Misao. Running attack. Maranyo. Nandun naman si De Panadera. Too far for Soltones. Free ball. Misao. Running attack. Maranyo. And that will work.
Ngayon, mukhang very challenged yung depensa nitong PLDT sa ginagawa ng Meralco.
Ang daming drop
Yung
shots din kasi.
variation,
Oo.
palo, tapos drop,
Oo.
diba?
10-8.
Mukhang pinapagod pa eh.
Right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Parang yun ang game plan ng Meralco. Nakita nila, pagod na yung PLDT eh.
Sino ba
So
ang
lalo
older
nilang
team?
pinapagod.
Older team ang PLDT, hindi naman siguro.
Well, nakita lang nila at least, in this situation.
Time out again for PLDT, down by 9.
Kanina, nag-aantay tayo, nakahabol na tayo. Bigla na ganyan sa setting, iniwan tayo. Ngayon, nakakahabol na tayo. Iwasan nyo yung mga ganyan. Gusto nyong habol, huwag niyong panggigilan yung bola, maging matalino kayo sa laro. Nagigil kayo eh. Yung isang palo nyo, isang puntos lang yun. Hindi naman 2-3 points yun eh. Tandaan ninyo, huwag nyo panakin yan. Isa!
PLDT!
Tignan ulit natin dito ang running attack ni Abby Maranyo na hinulog na lamang yan si Sabot Itamosi na variation.
Yes. Papaluin, tapos ihuhulog, katulad nito, over the blockers. So, lalong pinapagod yung team ng PLDT.
19-10. Meralco on top by 9 here in the fourth set. Soltones. At yun, nalusot kay Maranyo.
Reaction doon ni Abby kasi on the last play.
So na, Gretchen Soltones. Ilang puntos na kaya to? Mahigit 20 na to sigurado.
10.1
Oh!
million. Ayan,
At hindi lumusot yung kanyang serve.
Well, pag ganyan talaga, tas medyo pagod ka na, mahirap na yung jump serve pa rin
Right.
pupuntahan mo.
Misao. Soriano. Latigay. Misao in the air for Cotruang. At binuhay yon nitong si Tatan Gata Pantone, but to no avail.
Well, Meralco really trying to get this set. The mountain to climb na for PLDT.
Oo.
Pero pwede pa naman.
Kaya ng kapos. Walang tinamaan.
Yan ang pagod na.
Oo, si Misao, alam mo si
Kulang
Misao, talagang worked very hard today.
Yes.
Especially in the third set. Now in here also in the fourth. Ruby. Paneng. Misao. Cotruang!
And Cotruang from the
Ay, out.
But it goes long.
Out daw. Gulat si Misao talaga.
Sabi ni Misao, way.
Tingnan natin. Out eh.
Oo.
Out talaga.
Namang out. Malapit lang kasi sa linya. So, depende ko sa
saka-
anong view mo, kung anong angle mo.
Nasa malayo sila eh. Morada ng Abuelo. Soltones keeping it alive. Panatikla. Reyes. Papalo si Misao.
Libero ang
Oo.
nag-set, di ba? Sa setter.
Right. Misao, too near. And Soriano could not contain it. Cotruang, Soltones,
Good save by Soltones.
Latigay, Misao, babalik. De Leon, galing likod, Soltones, kept alive by Reyes.
Ganda ng rally natin, partner!
Oh, Tatan cannot get there.
Finally, Cotruang with that open hit. Ganda nung exchanges, di ba?
Grabe.
Daming
Betting.
addips eh.
Oh,
Ganda
Betting
ba
will
niya?
return. Papalitan na ulit si Maru. And now Maranyo needing only 3 more points to send us to a 5th set and to tie me with Noringo.
Ayan na. Padating na. Mahabol na. Sabi ko sa inyo.
That's for the fans.
Balik ka na dyan. Balik na tayo.
Ano ba yan? Oy, ikaw aangat ka na rin sa 2, ha?
Ay,
Habol ka na rin, ha?
malayo pa din.
Oy, sabi ni Maika, ayun na nga. Yun na nga yata mangyayari.
Morada with that point. Ay, yung nagagawa ng, yung ano, pag may isang nag-step up, nakakahawa eh.
Akala
Diba
ko
si
yun
Abby, yun, kanina, nakita mo,
Right.
kulang na lang, itaas baba niya yung mga teammates niya.
Akala ko yun ang nagagawa ng the curse.
Mamaya tayo pupunta dyan.
23-13. Pantone, De Leon, back set. Latigay!
Oh, not just yet. Latigay, sabi niya, teka sandali muna kayong ano ha? Manguna.
Tandaan natin, PLDT won the first 2 sets.
Right.
Yung second set, convincing pa talaga yung score.
Sabi mo nga, di ba, laglag-balikan na itong
Oo, hindi na nakabalik. The same can be said, however, about PLDT at this point. Pero tignan natin kung meron pa silang laban.
Pagkakaset, but
Lakas.
that goes long. So,
23-15.
inuunti-unti dito ng PLDT.
And if you're Meralco, you don't like that kind of hitting error.
That's right.
Charo. Reception there from Maranyo. Misawa on the back set. Juanita Cotruang.
Cotruang.
Set point for Meralco. Cotruang to serve. Combination. Latigay now sending it to Benting. Mercado. Misao. Back set. Morada into the net.
Oh, that was close to the net. Si Morada hindi niya masyadong gusto masyadong malapit sa net. Kahit na mataas siya tumalon.
Right.
May ganong player eh. Kailangan may distance dun sa net. Si Rachel
Oh, Rachel mismo. Oo.
Pero si Rachel kasi naman dahil sa approach niya.
Oo. Si Maru also ganun din. Kaya medyo may kalayuan. Misao. Kabila ngayon, Soltones turns back by Morada and that will do it. So Norinco 4, Noel Zarate 4, Judy Saril 2, Bossy Ravena 2. It's for the fans. It's for the fans. Shaky shake and play dito. Rachel Soltones denied by Micah Morada. It's for the fans. Fifth set sa aming pong pagbabalik.
At Meralco partner, first 2 sets going to be LDT.
It's for the fans.
Tapos yung 3 and 4 napunta sa Meralco.
Grabe yung block point.
Yes, correct. Talagang dun sila nabuhay sa blocking. Tignan mo naman yung attack points, bumaba. Pero both teams naman yung bumaba dun sa attack points. Kanina, ang dami. 18-19 tayo kanina eh. Diba?
Right.
Pero ang naging importante dito, we had so much rallies, long rallies, at hindi bumitaw ang parehong kompanan. In fact, parang sabi nga natin, mas nagkakumpiyansa pa tong Meralco eh. Diba?
For all, rin. 2 na rin si Rina, 2 na rin si Judy. May komperensya rin kasi kami nangyayari dito.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Huwag ka mag-alala. Ikaw yan talaga. Sa'yo yung trono na yan.
Fifth set action. Race to 15. Cotruang gets it across. Ang daming long rally dito. Latigay!
Latigay going down the line. At ang ganda ng spot. PLDT. 15 digs na in this game. Ang Meralco, 21
Oo.
points na.
Latigay is very tired already. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Ruby De Leon, sandali lang nga rin nagpahinga eh. Mercado with the reception. Bisao, running attack. Abby Maranyo, malakas. 2-0 PLDT. So ngayon, si Maranyo needs to now, itong Meralco needs to settle down.
Yes.
At taas ang adrenaline nila eh.
Correct.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Ito na ngayon si Ruby.
Ika nga ni Mami Dulce Pante, huwag nagtutumali.
Oh, may sound knew it.
That's right. Very obvious naman yung double violation na yun. So, 3-0 lead ng PLDT.
And now we have our friends from Mikasa. Maraming salamat. The official ball of the Shakey's B-League. And a service error from Ruby. First point for Meralco.
Mga partner, Soltones, 25 yung Monks points.
Yun na nga eh.
Diba? Big points coming from this girl. Latigay with 16, Benting with 7. Sa kabila, Cotruang with 15, Mercado with 12, Morada with 10.
Yung Morada na 10 na yun, very quiet, ha?
Oo.
Cotruang off the block.
Oh, but check ball called. So, sa harap naman kasi ni referee Lumer. Ang nyari.
Eto na naman, dumikit na naman ang Meralco after 3 straight points from PLDT. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue line, Tiger Katola gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Maranyo again. Reception by Soltones. Ruby, down the middle, and that is in. Para dito kay Luan Latigay.
So, patibayan na ng loob. Wala nang pagod-pagod factor dito.
Wala na.
Sabi nga natin, pag 5-setter, yung 5th set, halos mental game na yan.
The Shakey's feeling is powered by Motolite battery pang matagalan. Charo Soriano. Jen Reyes. Isaw Tanyama on the back set. Bonita Cotruang!
Cotruang! Saan ang galing? Yan ang pang matagalan.
Yan talaga.
Diba?
Cotruang making full. Itong Meralco now in the 3rd and 4th sets made full use of the absence of Sue Roses. Tandaan natin, Sue Roses is not playing in this game due to tonsillitis.
Magaling ka, Sue.
Here's Ruby De Leon going to Latigay. And Latigay drops it in. So now late surge. Second win para kay Luan Latigay.
Dito naman, poor coverage on that last play on the side of Meralco. Kanina, ganda-ganda ng coverage nila. So, kailangan ibalik nila yun. Lalo na ito, up to 15 lang tayo.
And now, well, if it's one family piece, it's gotta be Shakey's. Reyes done a great job today. As with Tatangata Pantone. Combination for Soltones, and Reyes is there again. At lalabas.
Ang lakas, bumawi naman si Soltones sa kabila. Cotruang, Soltones, palakasan. Sige.
Wala nang ngiti-ngiti si Jen Reyes ngayon. Seryoso na to. 6-3 PLDT home Delpan. Latigay. Isaw Tanyama going across Mercado. And Tatangata Pantone again with a great dig. Soltones covered there by Pantone. One more time for Gretchel. Blocked again by Morada.
Yan yan yung commitment sa blocking.
Right.
Diba? Pag yung blocking hindi mo binitawan, yan ang resulta.
And the smaller Morada is actually leading in blocks sa larong ito. There's another one. 6-4. Still in favor of PLDT home Telpad. Micah Morada. Latigay. De Leon, quick shot to De Manadera.
De Manadera, yan na, ganyan na yung element of surprise na kailangan gawin ng parehong koponan in this 5th set.
7-4 PLDT home Telpad. Angela Benting. Good serve. Kanyama. Penetrante. De Leon. Soltones, cross court. Cotruang. Nakabuelo si Mercado.
Mercado, down the line hit.
Nakapangiti na lang to si Coach Roger.
Kasi hindi naman masyadong mabilis yung bola, di ba?
7-5 PLDT home Telpad. And there's the ever-smiling.
Ever. Fresh from the London.
London.
Fresh from London, the underground.
Soltones, sinubo kay Maranyo. Morada now. Another one. Nakakailan double na itong pupunan ng Meralco, ha? And there will be the changeover. 8-5 PLDT home Telpad. Tignan na natin yung quick set to Sasa de Banadera. And again, Sasa very quiet in this game. Pero kinailangan yung puntos niya that time. Again, another epic. Kita mo naman yung score ng second set at sa score ng 4th set, ang lalayo eh.
That's right. So PLDT now 5 attack points. Meralco with 3.
At sino ba magsaserve? Tinatanong. Okay, di ba na daw? Double check again. Okay lang magtanong, wag lang parate. Yung mga ibang teams talaga, sino serve sa kakaserve? Rotation, sino ulit? Hirap nun.
Ulit-ulit?
Oo. Snapin na kayo ng table officials niya mamaya. Isabel de Banadera. Sure serve. Mercado. Block but out from Ruby.
Much to the dismay of Ruby De Leon. Si Mercado naman, simple ang ginawa doon. Nakita niya na sarado na. Wala na masyadong daan. Off the block na lang ang pinagdahan.
Stephanie Mercado now. Quiet efficiency rin para dito kay Paneng. Oh, Luan took her eye off the ball.
Right, at actually, stance niya, no?
Parang
Was in the best
napawing eh.
position.
Oo.
Inabot kasi yung bola eh. Pagod na rin to talaga.
Pagod talaga. Kanina pa fourth set. Luan
Pareho.
kumakayod. Tenting. De Leon. Tinawid. Reyes again. Kotruwag. Bumuelo. Nice block there coming from Charo. Second ball attacking si Misao. Soltones. Wow! Jen Reyes. Kotruwang. Charo keeping it alive. De Leon. Soltones kept alive by Maraño. Kotruwang adjusting. And Kotruwang gets it through Latigay.
And Kotruwang, look at her. Yung pag nagkikita mo siyang mag-adjust, parang hindi hirap eh, di ba?
Right.
Effortless. Alam mo, she reminds me of a Josie Vasquez.
Ah, yeah.
Na yung si Whitey.
Oo.
Ganyan. Wala masyado approach.
Tagal ko na hindi naririnig yung pangalan na yun, ha?
Oh, yung wala masyado approach. Pero
Right.
yung huli lang, makikita mo yung wind up,
Oh.
yung swing ng kamay, tapos yung vertical leap
Same
na ang
thing
taas.
same thing with Venus
Ganyan,
Bernal.
ganyan
Naalala
eh.
ko na si Venus Bernal may mga ganun din. As Soltones gives the lead back to PLDT. Panatikla is in now at open spiker. Pinahinga muna si Luan. Konting pahinga lang ito. Kakailanganin siya ni Coach Roger sa dulo.
Coach Josie Vasquez now is in
Saan
the
na ba?
United States.
Ah, okay.
Oo. Nasa Las Vegas na at siya ay nurse.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good serve there coming from Soltones. Kotruwang across. Pantone. De Leon. Quick set to Charo. Morada. Sending it back. Misao. Tumalo. What a play for Meralco.
That's right. Morada. Kay Misao niya talaga binigay yung atake.
Right.
Which
Si
means,
Misao looks like a utility spiker right here. Oh.
iba rin naman.
9-all. Tanyama now serving. De Leon. Back row attack. Malakas. 10-9 Meralco. Their first lead of the fifth set. Timeout PLDT.
Tandaanin lang natin, ha? Lalo, ito yung palo natin. Papunta doon eh. Alaykay na lang eh. Wala na tayong palo, alaykay na lang tayo sa bola. Babawan natin. Ayos naman yung set eh. Nawala ka ng block eh. Kakalaykayin mo pa yan. Kasi pagpakin mo na lang sa bola. O, huwag kayong matarantahan. Kunin natin. Isa lang ang lamang nila, ha? Eh, isa pa akong timeout. Nakaka-timeout pa ako.
Ang ganda na simula ng PLDT dito sa third set, sa fifth set rather. Going 3-0, but Meralco has really fought back. Show of character dito, starring Juanita Kotruwang and Misao Tanyama. Misao, sharp serve. De Leon sending it to Banatikla, and Banatikla scores!
Banatikla on that open hit. Yan ang mga kailangan ni Coach Roger,
At
di
dyan,
ba?
oo, ngayon talagang na-preserve si Maru. Naglaro ng utility ngayon, bumalik ulit sa open.
Yan na, again, yung mga surprises. Ito, dito mo siya
Right.
ilalabas sa fifth set.
Ruby with the serve. Mercado. Isao going to Kotruwang. At namalakas ang tira ni Kotruwang.
Kotruwang. Not enough spin.
Balik ang kalamangan sa PLDT home telpad. 4 points away from the match.
Pasalamat ka, walang sixth set.
For all rin, for all.
Narin, sabi ko sa'yo, habol yan.
De Leon. Misao. Kotruwang.
Oo.
Nice take by
Pantone.
Pantone. Maru, oh! Na-timingan ni Maraño.
That's right, Abby Maraño. Ayan, nagkalaban yan, dalawang yan sa UAAP.
That's right. Konti pahinga lang yun. Banatikla will now sit down. Ito na ang kailangan si Luan Latigay
That's
sa
right.
endgame.
Tama.
The former MVP. And here's the former two-time MVP of the UAAP now serving for the lead para sa Meralco. There's Tatan. Ruby. Charo. Turned back there by M. De Leon going to Latigay. Off the net, cannot be played. And the lead goes back to PLDT.
Ay, ang ganda na palitan natin dito, partner.
And now
Tara,
Charo.
matibay.
Ayan, si Charo na magsaserve.
Chance naman sa opensa nitong Meralco. Let's see.
3 points away from the match. Itong Meralco, 1 point behind naman. Or rather, PLDT, 1 point behind the Meralco.
Meralco, full front line. Sino pupuntahan?
They go to Penetrante. De Leon, kabila, Latigay, blocked. De Leon recycles. Benting. At the net, Joust. De Banadera keeping it alive. Benting sends it across. Ando si Reyes. Backset ngayon. Kotruwang off the hands of Ruby.
Yun ang naging problema, Benting. Giving a free ball. Yan ang nasagot ng Meralco.
12 all. Tita Mosi, one team is 3 points away from the match.
Eh, sino nga?
Ano yan ang malalaman natin ngayon. Kotruwang to serve for the lead. De Leon. Latigay against 3 blockers. And Latigay now restores the lead.
Yan yung sinasabi natin. Pag ganito, risk mo na eh, di ba? Higher risk, higher reward, di ba?
Time out Meralco. Buwelo na ulit kasi itong PLDT.
Ready, Micah. Huwag tayong mag-drop ball. Kung maaari, atakayin natin ng malakas sa ball. Ha? So, isa lang yan. Pakita natin.
Coach Brian Esquivel reminding itong si Miss Tanyama that she has a full front line.
Exactly. Kaya nga kanina, di ba, yun ang question.
Ayun,
Sino ba siya pupunta? Oo,
Sakto
sino bang
nilabanan.
pupuntahan niya?
Tapang ni Luan. And one more time at
Yun
mamaya.
Minsan, it's really how you look at it eh. Yung ibang coaches siguro will play it safe. Pero kung fifth set na, di ba?
Wala na.
Oo.
Todo mo na yan. Latigay now, trying to protect this 1-point lead. Good serve. Tanyama, sending it to Pareng Mercado off the block. Latigay is there. De Leon, sending it to Soltones. Soltones is blocked by Penetrante. Kabila ulit, Gretchen.
Ang ganda naman.
Oh, pero hindi tumawid.
Ang ganda sana nun. Binalik tapos binalik ulit dun sa
Oo.
kabilan. Binigay sa utility, tapos binalik sa open. Nahilo yung blockers ng Meralco, pero
Tayo na ihilo ngayon eh. 2 puntos ang kailangan ng isang koponan para makuha ang panalo. Morada. Antone, De Leon, Soltones, turned back there by Penetrante.
and that was Penetrante and Misao. Oh, blocking. Napakalaking pader.
Match point Meralco, timeout PLDT.
Kailang dulo kasi nawawala tayo sa laro eh. Nawawala kayo sa yung bang tapang. Kung kailang dulo kailangan yung tapang. Saka tayo nag-iiwasan. Paluin nyo nun. I-coverage nyo. Lahat naman ng pinalo first two sets ako coverage natin. Bakit kaya hindi na tayo makakoverage? Masyado tayo nagko-concentrate sa score eh. Hindi na tayo nagko-concentrate sa gagawin natin. Doon tayo sa score.
Pantone, makita mo, in-adjust na yung kanyang wristband doon. Coverage ba, coach?
Ayan
Adjust
na,
na siya.
ito na.
Pero again, she was there actually doon sa block na yon. Pero ang ganda lang talaga, offensive block ang ginawa dito ni M. Penetrante. The experience of being a multi-time best blocker. And now, Morada serving for Meralco's first win. Pantone, De Leon, Soltones, that one is out, raised to 16. Ayaw matapos.
This is how we do it.
The
Diba?
match that refuses to end.
Eh, napakanta niyo ako. Sa
Bawal
basic
yun
lang yan, Sa ngayon lang yan. Ngayon lang. Pero
Benting.
yan tayo eh. Diba? Masaya lang.
Tama. Mercado. Latigay, De Leon, kabila, Soltones off the block.
Chance for Meralco.
They go to Paneng.
Oh.
Ano na naman si Tatan? Rupi, yes!
Rupi De Leon. Yun ang
Against M.
ipinaglaban.
Penetrante Urbano, ha?
Oh,
Last time out now for Meralco. Match point, PLDT.
We need good receive, ha? To juice, ha? Kailangan natin isang magandang receive. Isaw, if we have good receive, give M running. Okay? So that's why the blockers spread out. Ready, back row attack. Okay?
Diba si Coach Brian Esquivel, we need good receive, ha? O, Jen, ha? Doon na kaagad. But look at Ruby De Leon. That's a crunch
Yes.
time move.
And yun na, sometimes, diba, like, ay yung sinasabi nga natin, who wants it more?
Oo.
Diba?
Ano yung mismatch na yan? Ruby is about 5'4", 5'5". Penetrante is about 6 feet tall. For the match, Benting. Isaw. Kabila. Paneng. Tatan. Ruby. Soltones. And the block is out. Hindi tumawid. Hindi tumawid.
Not over. And we are not over.
Yan lang.
Ay, gusto ko.
15 all.
Gusto ko mag-30.
The record, of course, is 32-30 for a fifth set.
Tara, pag-uwi natin yan.
2010 po naganap yon. Maynila kontra Perpetual.
Oh, nice floater.
De Leon, kabila. Gretchen Soltones, blocked again. Ruby, Gretchen, blocked again by Maranyo.
Ganda ng kapit ng Meralco.
De Banadera!
Except for that last one, De Banadera. Ano yun campfire on the
Kaya nga,
side of
pero isipin mo,
Meralco.
open,
Yes.
biglang quick. Good decision there by De Leon.
Yeah, again, yung mga risk factor yan.
Right.
Ito lalabas yan. Katapang katao.
Serving for the match, Sasa De Banadera. Short serve, played off the net, and that is it.
Oh my goodness, what a way to end this spectacular game.
The last 2 points scored by Sasa De Banadera.
What a match.
17-15 in the fifth set. And this one will officially eliminate Meralco now. So may pag-asa pa po ang PLDT na umabot sa finals. Shaky in play. Sasa De Banadera scored on a quick hit and ends the game with a service ace.